Opening shot. Welcome to Exoid Cars. The modern sedan glides along a scenic coastal highway, the sunlight reflecting off its polished surface. Introducing the 2025 Ford Aspire S7, a compact sedan that seamlessly blends style, performance, and affordability. Designed to cater to both urban commuters and driving enthusiasts, the Aspire S7 stands out in its segment. Cut to a close-up of the car's front grille and LED headlights. The exterior of the Aspire S7 showcases Ford's contemporary design language. Its bold front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, gives the car a confident and dynamic presence. The aerodynamic lines flow smoothly from front to rear, enhancing both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Stylish alloy wheels and a selection of vibrant color options allow drivers to express their personal taste. Transition to the interior, highlighting the dashboard and seating inside. The Aspire S7 offers a refined cabin crafted with high-quality materials. The ergonomically designed seats provide comfort during long journeys, while the intuitive dashboard layout ensures that all controls are within easy reach. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping drivers connected and entertained. Showcase the engine and driving dynamics under the hood. The Aspire S7 is equipped with a responsive engine that delivers a balance of power and efficiency. Its finely tuned suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and providing stability around corners. The precise steering and agile handling make it a joy to drive in various conditions, from city streets to winding country roads. Highlight safety features with visuals of the car's sensors and alerts. Safety is a top priority in the Aspire S7. The vehicle comes equipped with advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, anti-lock braking system, ABS, electronic stability control, and a rear-view camera. Driver assistance technologies such as lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking provide an extra layer of protection, giving drivers peace of mind on every journey. Discuss fuel efficiency and environmental considerations. In today's eco-conscious world, the Aspire S7 doesn't disappoint. Its fuel-efficient engine minimizes trips to the gas station, reducing both expenses and environmental impact. The car's lightweight construction and aerodynamic design further contribute to its impressive fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for those seeking sustainability without compromising performance. Showcase the trunk space and practical features. Practicality is another hallmark of the Aspire S7. The spacious trunk offers ample room for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment, catering to the diverse needs of modern drivers. Convenient features such as keyless entry, push-button start, and automatic climate control enhance the overall driving experience, adding a touch of luxury to this compact sedan. Conclude with the car parked in a picturesque location, the sun setting in the background. In summary, the 2025 Ford Aspire S7 embodies a harmonious blend of style, comfort, performance, and safety. Its thoughtful design and array of features make it a compelling choice for those in search of a reliable and enjoyable driving companion. Experience the Aspire S7 for yourself and discover how it redefines expectations in the compact sedan category.